viral. Employees pushing and punching each other right at the checkout. Desperation
and sense of helplessness.
Actually worsen.
And tonight, with the debate over masks,
Be frustrated.
doctors are worried. This fall could be, quote, the worst we've ever had.
Hi, human being. Yes, you. It's nice to have your attention for a moment. You see, something's going down, and we hoped that you would hear this broadcast over a drone of negativity and drama that's streaming through your devices, newspapers, newsfeeds, and magazines during this very interesting time in human history. There is a trend of drama that is viciously driving your world, and it can be tricky to be heard above the white noise of the corporatized mainstream media. So like I said, it's really nice to have your attention, because somewhere in between the news flashes about rumours of war, the building of walls, the rise of disease, lies and deceit, suspicious agendas, drug lords, warlords, environmental devastation, suicide, terrorism, and missing people reports, it's our audacious plan to intercept your moment with the promotion of a very different kind. No, we don't want you to worry about a thing. You don't need to brace yourself for the latest worst-case scenario that's about to happen, but rather, we invite you to pay attention to something else. This is a promotion of the present moment, an invitation for you to volunteer precious attention, to connect with the energy of the answers. Because although you seem small and somewhat separate, the truth is you are a creator, magnificent and powerful beyond your understanding. You came here to do this. Everything that you need to turn this story around has already been loaded and coded within you. But you have to do the work. You said that you would do the work. Catch your own attention and take your mind back. Build a quality control department for your thoughts, your focus. Invest your attention in the world that you want to see and stay parked there. Simmer. Make this moment count. Fall in love with where you are and get deeply involved with the perfection, the reflection that is ever present. Love, joy, beauty, harmony, ease, flow, bliss. Creativity, and pure genius. The miracle is evenly distributed, and it's designed to never run out. It is relentless in its expression, but you have to learn to play the right game. You need to choose it, vote for it, give yourself to it, and volunteer your precious attention. Your currency in this universe is your attention. What you focus on will get louder, so be careful with what you are most interested in. Choose. Free will. Choose. If you don't think that you are the superhero in this story, think again. It's up to you. Yes, just you. To wake up during this time in human history. Because if you won't, then who will? Welcome to the present moment. You are free will. Please vote carefully with your precious attention.